if you ask me, did you miss being on YouTube for last 3 months? Absolutely, hell yes. However, do you regret it? No. And welcome back to my channel to help you create the life that you want and to become the best version of your life. My god, it's been like close to 3 months that I have not uttered these lines and I totally miss it. However, better late than never, I am here. So today is going to be a very casual chit chat talk where I am going to share with you the latest updates about why I have gone missing for close to 3 months now, and all the details, all the basic life updates, because I got a lot of DMs where people were asking me if I quit YouTube, did I change my mind, am I too busy with a lot of other things. So I thought it would be very nice to come back on YouTube and talk to you in person. So grab your cup of coffees and there you go, let's get started. While there are multiple reasons why I went missing on YouTube for quite some time now, I think one of the major reasons is that, like I have shared it with you earlier also, I was on a sabbatical for 6 months and I was about to join back to work. So the last month into, the last month of the sabbatical, I simply thought I would want to, take it a little slow so that I need time to prep to get back to work. During the entire period of sabbatical, I kind of really worked hard every single day. I had sleepless nights. I was exhausted to core. I was continuously working on a couple of things like, creating content on YouTube, being active on Instagram, and most importantly, I created a coaching program called Mirasam Image Coaching Academy where I help women create an image that absolutely works wonders for them. Well, Mirasam is basically a one-stop solution where I help women create an image by identifying and creating a personal style and building a wardrobe around it in a way that suits their roles and goals in life. While the outcomes, the transformation and the results from the program are so fulfilling, I have to admit the entire process of creating curriculum, working on the back end of the course, and me being a coach was the first time ever. It was a huge learning experience, which is why after the point I was so exhausted that I really had to tell myself that it's okay to take a break. Everything else can wait. Another reason why I went missing on YouTube is because I just joined back. It's just been 2 months now and I'm on a transferable job and I was on multiple transfers, which is why, me going to a different place, meeting new people, getting used to the new work culture, all of it took time. And parallelly, meanwhile, I was also working on MICA launch. So MICA stands for Mirasam Image Coaching Academy, which went on full swing, and the launch just got over a week back now, and there's another bunch of new students in who's absolutely excited and thrilled with excitement. However, when all of this was going on, I was really not in a mood to overwhelm myself. And another major reason is that my workplace is quite far from where I live, close to 1.5 hours one way, which means I at least have to take 2 to 2.5 hours of travel every single day, and in the process I really had no mood to overwhelm myself, which is why this break. Hope this justifies. And now reason number 3. So 2020 was a huge learning curve for me. I have enrolled to a number of coaching programs, courses, and I kind of implemented most of it, which is why I actually saw a good number of results, which I'm very happy about. And I also feel that I'm no longer the person that I used to be a year back. I have evolved so much, and for better, I hope. However, this year, of all the goals I set for myself, taking it slow whenever I feel the need for it is a major priority. I think that's one lesson that I learned last year, to not burn out, come what may. As much as I wanted to make progress, see results, and keep the needle moving every single day, I also felt the need very deep down in my heart to listen to my body, mind, and soul and actually take it slow whenever it demands. By the way, I have a confession to make. I talk a lot about taking breaks. However, until last year, it was a struggle. However, I would end up taking a break, but really be extremely guilty. I would always have work going on the background in my mind. I used to have the checklist list going, 1, 2, 3, all of this is pending, and it would really ruin both my work and the break. And finally this year, after consciously making an effort and talking to myself, doing all of it, practicing consistently, I finally am in a place where I can take break and enjoy it and actually get back stronger, and it really helps. So if you ask me that did you miss being on YouTube for last 3 months? Absolutely, hell yes. However, do you regret it? No, because when self-care is made a priority, it always pays off every single time. Do try it and let me know what you think. So these were my few updates. Mirasum has seen the day of light, and I'm so happy and excited to see all my students making such amazing progress. If you want to see the kind of journey my students have taken, do give a quick follow to @Mirasum on Instagram and see the testimonials the students have to share. They've clearly shared their journey, and it's it melts my heart to go through them. It feels so good. Secondly, I am working on a secret project, hopefully which will see the day of light probably 2 to 3 months now, and I can't be more excited. Fingers crossed. And finally I'm back on YouTube, and I can't be more happy about it too, because probably 2 to 3 months back, when everything felt so overwhelming, it felt like a task for me to put everything together and get going. However, now I've come with it better, the newer Ananya, I think. So I am very excited. It feels like I'm doing it all from scratch, and it gives me immense pleasure. And meanwhile, if you are looking for a specific thing, please feel free to drop in any of the suggestions that you want to see on my channel. I would love to consider them. I want to really thank each one of you who's watching this, because it is you guys which actually pushed me to show up after 3 months, because there was constant messaging me on DMing me, or people showing up my comment section asking me if I disappeared. That love, I really wasn't expecting this. So thank you so much. I would want all of this and much more to shower from your end. Thank you so much for hanging in. Stay home, stay safe, take care. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.